Hi, I'm Wongster1970 and today I'm going to be installing this AutoSaver88 catalytic converter in my 2003 Toyota Matrix. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to be doing is spraying some PB down on the bolts. You can see one there and there's the other one. Okay, got some on it. Next thing I'm going to do is pull the carpet back here so I can get to the connector for the O2 sensor. There we go. I'll just push this the whole way down through. There we go. Okay, I'm going to be jacking up right there. Okay, I'm going to get some jack stands and put them underneath here. I'm going to put it right on the lower control arms. There we go. I could have put it up on the frame there also, which I've probably done before. But this should be good. What I'm going to have to do is remove these two hangers so I can drop the exhaust down. Well, I sprayed a little bit of PV on these. I didn't really want to, but I was able to pull them off then after I did that. So let's get a little PB on this bolt here, on these two nuts, or on this U-bolt. Muffler clamp, whatever, and then I'll take that off. Let the drip on you. Yes, there's. Okay, up in there is our two bolts I need to remove, and I think they're metric. See up in there, 14mm bolt. So I'm going to take those two bolts out, one there, and then it should be able to lower the exhaust. Ran into a little bit of a problem right here. It is leaking evidently there, and it wants to come apart at this location now instead of here. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to cut this strap off, this clamp, and I'm just going to put a replacement one on there. Well, there it is. There's my bad angle that I put on there before. Okay, I'm pulling the old O2 sensor out. I'm just going to reuse the old one. Should probably put a new one in. I got me two clamps from Advanced Auto Parts. This is a 17152 for a 2 1/8 inch pipe. And the other one, I got a 2 1/8 inch inside diameter coupler. That is 17510. So $15.87 for all this. I'm going to slide this coupler over the top of here. I want to try to square this up a little bit. So I'm just going to start it on here. See if I can't get it straighter. See, I got a line around here now. I'm going to go and take the cutoff wheel and try to square that up. That's not 100%, but it's a lot better than what it was. And I can get the coupler on there and get the catalytic converter hooked up. I got both the clamps on there, and I'm ready to cut down the pipe and put that in there. Put the catalytic converter on it. I got the old donut off. Threads look good. I'm going to put the new donut up on there. There we go. Okay, this is the spring, the original spring, the OEM spring that I took off. This is the one that came with the new catalytic converter, and this is what I cut it down to. So hopefully that's going to give me enough that I can screw the volt the whole way up in. Okay, this bung plug is an 8mm. If I can get it out. Oh, I should probably loosen it up before. I'll just keep it in case I need one someday. Okay, I'm going to thread the O2 sensor back in this hole that I took the bung plug out of. Got the clamps on, staggered them as much as I could without them actually rubbing on anything. So, should be good with that. Those were 9/16 bolts. There we go. Slide this up through the floor. Gonna plug back in there. Move everything out of the way. Push the carpet back down. Put it up underneath there. There we go. There we go, the mat's in. I don't see any leaks. So I'd say that must be good. That'll do it for installing a replacement AutoSaver88 catalytic converter in my 2003 Toyota Matrix. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.